uhai sio suluhisho.
Kawadhi wechego mag somo en ni Migao mar somo e pacho kae dhi nyime kod gero laboratories mamoko maromo 1,600 e skunde mag senior kaka yo mar neno ni somo mag science odhi nyime yo makare e skundego. Jagoro mongirore Migao no mar somo Julius Bitok owacho ni gedo mag laboratories go gin mago mabende bro neno ni jopuonjre mag grade 10 oyudo somo makare somogo mag science.
We are encouraging Kenyan students to go STEM way because we believe STEM can transform a nation. Out of the 3 pathways, STEM, arts and social sciences, and sports, we are saying we are encouraging 60% of our learners to go STEM way. And the government is investing heavily, including the construction of 1,600 labs around the country so that all students who choose STEM at least have a lab in their school. The government has put in on mechanisms, they have put in place systems to ensure that we have a smooth transition.
Ewi omenda mabindi chwalo ne japuonjre kata capitation Bitok wacho ni omenda go ibro chwale skunde ne somo mar tama manyien ni kendo ibro chwalgi e seche mowinjore kaka yo maneno ni chenro mag somo odhi nyime makare e skunde mopogore pacho kae.
We have already engaged the National Treasury and we are expecting that before the end of the week, money for capitation will have been sent to our schools. We had a meeting last week with the officials from National Treasury led by the Minister himself and the PS, and we agreed that the top priority for the government of Kenya this week is to release